Hi everyone, so in this video we are starting with the important questions on differential equations. I've previously made videos on other chapters, so you can also watch that. Let's begin with question number 1. Here you have to find out the order and degree of this differential equation. You can pause the video, try this question yourself. We'll be covering all the important questions, okay? So whenever you have to find the order and the degree, order means the highest derivative. And degree here means the power of the highest derivative. So if I look at this equation, the highest derivative is d2y by dx square. That means your order is 2. And the degree is the power of the highest derivative. So the power of this highest derivative is 3. Here the answer will be 3. Now in this question you have to form a differential equation of family y square is equal to 4ax. So you will write this equation. Here our aim is to eliminate all the constants. So there is this one constant. That means you have to differentiate it one time only. So differentiating with respect to x, you have to eliminate the constant here. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a, right? So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Y dy by dx is equal to 2a. Since I want to eliminate this constant a, I can write a is equal to y dy by dx upon 2. Now what I can do is put this value in equation 1. Putting the value of a in equation 1, I get y square is equal to 4 into y by 2 dy by dx into x, right? So you will just solve it. 2 to the 4, y cancel, y is equal to 2x dy by dx. So this is your equation. See here in this question, I can write it dy by dx is equal to sine x plus y, right? So you have to figure out which form is given and then solve it accordingly. X plus y equal to v. So this will be, when I differentiate it, this will be 1 plus dy by dx equal to dv by dx. So dy by dx from here will be dv by dx minus 1. So I'll put this value here. dy by dx is dv by dx minus 1 equal to sine v. dv by dx is equal to sine v plus 1, right? So I can write it dv by sine v plus 1 इक्वल टू dx. जो भी जैसे आपके ये dx है, dv है ना, तो आपको एक साइड ले जाना है, जैसे v वाले यहाँ एंड x वाले यहाँ. देन इंटीग्रेटिंग इट ऑन बोथ साइड्स, dv बाय 1 प्लस साइन v इंटू 1 माइनस साइन v अपॉन 1 माइनस साइन v इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ dx. सो इसको हम लिख देंगे dx 1 माइनस साइन v अपॉन, नाउ दिस इज 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर v, दैट इज कॉस स्क्वायर v. कॉस स्क्वायर v dv is equal to, I can write this x plus c. Now I have to split it. 1 by cos square v minus sin v upon cos v into cos v. Now this can be written as integration of sec square v, and this can be written as, this is tan v and 1 by cos v is sec v. Now integration of tan v sec v is sec v equals to x plus c. Tan v minus sec v equal to x plus c. Now I'll substitute the value back. V was equal to x plus y. So tan x plus y minus sec x plus y is equal to x plus c. Moving on to the next question. Sin x dy by dx minus y equals to this. First, you will try to simplify it and then figure out which type it is, whether it's LDE or homogeneous, right? And then solve the equation. And yes, if you want to purchase my final 50 ebook, it's in the description box. I am sure that you've completed and revised your syllabus. So the next step is to practice a lot of questions. In my final 50 ebook, there are the 50 most expected questions that can come in your board exams. So you'll have to practice it, and it will take around 3 to 4 hours maybe to practice all the questions. I highly recommend you to solve it. And yes, let's begin with this question. I can divide this equation by sin x, right? So this will be dy by dx minus y upon sin x sin x इक्वल टू tan x बाय 2. सो मेरा ये एम था कि मैं यहाँ पर एल डी फॉर्म बनाऊँ, जो कि है डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस पी वाई इक्वल टू क्यू. दैट इज़ वाई आई डिवाइडेड इट बाय साइन एक्स. ओके, दिस विल बी डी वाई बाई डी एक्स माइनस वाई कोसेक एक्स इक्वल टू tan x बाय 2. नाउ दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म dy by dx plus py equal to q. You have to compare it. Okay, so p here is minus cosec x, right? y के साथ जो भी आपका गिवन है, ये है ना गिवन, आप माइनस साइन मत भूलना. सो हमने ये लिख दिया q इज इक्वल टू tan x बाई 2. एंड इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर कैसे निकालते हैं? e to the power p dx. So here p is minus cosec x dx. So this will be e to the power minus log tan x by 2. Now tell me, can I write this e to the power log tan x by 2 whole to the power minus 1? Right. Now this is equal to f of x, right? So our integrating factor will be tan x by 2 whole to the power minus 1. That is 1 by tan x by 2. Now the solution is given by y into integrating factor. Here it is 1 by tan x by 2 equal to integration of q. Q here is tan x by 2 multiply by integrating factor 1 by tan x by 2 dx plus c. So this gets cancelled. Cot x by 2 is equal to x plus c. This is your answer. You can see that you have to solve this equation, and y is equal to 0 when x is equal to 1. You have to use this after you have solved the equation. So here I can write this x square plus y square into dx equal to 2xy dy. So dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square divided by 2xy. Now tell me its form. This is homogeneous. Since the powers in the numerator and denominator are same. ये देखो, अगर पावर हम देखें, यहाँ पर 2 है, यहाँ पर भी 2 है, एंड यहाँ 1 1 यानी 2 है, राइट? सो सारी जगह 2 है हमारे पावर. इन दिस यू विल हैव टू टेक y इज इक्वल टू वी एक्स, राइट? सो y dy बाई डी एक्स हो जाएगा v प्लस एक्स डी वी बाई डी एक्स. Now the given equation becomes v plus x dv by dx equal to x square plus y was vx, so we'll write v square x square divided by 2 into x. Y is again vx, so v plus x dv by dx is equal to, see, x square and x square gets cancelled. We are left with 1 plus v square divided by 2v. Now I'll take this v on the right hand side so that the like terms are together, minus v. X dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square minus 2v square divided by 2v. So this is 1 minus v square upon 2v. 2v upon 1 minus v square dv equal to 1 by x dx. I have taken this x here and dx here. So you will have to integrate it. Now I can take this 1 minus v square equal to t. So minus 2v dv will be equal to dt. And this will be log x. Right? So when I put 2v dv equal to minus dt upon 1 by v square, 1 minus v square is t, right? So this is minus log t, and t here is 1 minus v square. V was equal to y by x. Since y is equal to vx, v will be y by x. Minus log 1 minus y square upon x square equal to log x plus c. So this is your equation. The question, it stated that y is equal to 0 when x equal to 1. So I'll put the value 1 minus 0 equal to log 1 plus c. So this will be minus log 1, that is 0, and this will also be 0, that means c is equal to 0. So I'll put this value here in this equation. Minus log x square minus y square upon x square is equal to log x. Okay. If I take this log on the right hand side, then log x plus log this part, that means log of x into x square minus y square upon x square is equal to 0. And ये बताओ मुझे log की value 0 कब होती है? When this is 1. Log 1 is 0 ना? So this part is equal to 1. X cancel होगा पहले, तो x square minus y square upon x is equal to 1. X is equal to x square minus y square. This is your answer. Now solve this differential equation. Let's break it first. E to the power x into e to the power y plus x square into e to the power y. I can take this e to the power y common. This will be e to the power x plus x square. This is dy by dx. So I can take this to the numerator and e to the power y in the denominator. This is variable separable equal to e to the power x plus x square into dx. Now I think you can integrate it. E to the power minus y dy equals to integration of e to the power x plus x square dx. Okay. So this will be e to the power minus y upon minus 1. यहाँ पर -1 हमने डिवाइड में क्यों लिया, मैंने बता रखा है. जो भी आपका वेरिएबल होगा उसके साथ कोफिशिएंट है उसको डिवाइड में आपको लिखना ही है. ओके. डिवाइडेड बाय -1 इक्वल टू दिस विल बी e to the power x प्लस x क्यूब बाय 3 प्लस c. सो क्या हो जाएगा ये e to the power, let's do e to the power x plus x cube divided by 3 plus c. I'm ending the video here. I think we have covered all the types, and you can watch other chapter videos also. That will be very helpful for you. Okay. So bye and all the best.